An introduction to Picture Window Pro. It is a program that is targeted to bring out the best in an image. In other words, it is a program created by a photographer for all real photographers. For those photographers who work exclusively with RAW files, DxO Photolab can be recommended as a RAW converter, and of course Picture Window Pro for all further editing. What the two programs provide together is at the very top of what is possible. Color management, printing facilities and adjustment options are second to none. Only the best is good enough. The program deserves to be better known and more widespread, especially among photographers. It has not always been free, but the new version can be used free of charge and without restrictions. However, you can voluntarily choose to send $25. It is such a good program that it deserves to be supported. Jonathan M. Sachs, who is a well-known programmer and a bit of a genius, is the man behind Picture Window Pro. The latest version is called Picture Window Pro 8, and the program can be downloaded here, www.dl-c.com/downloads.html. Picture Window Pro has full color management. For those more experienced in this area, I can state that IT8, Color Checker DC and SG, HCT, as well as Spider 24 and 48 are supported and can be used to create color profiles. If you have the courage to work with color profiles and various color spaces, Picture Window Pro is an obvious choice. Picture Window Pro is one of the few free editing programs that worked with 16 bits per channel, a color depth of 48 bits per pixel. There is also the opportunity to work with masks and go back in history and so on. You can save all adjustments made to an image at any time and later return to where you left off and continue. The transformations used for editing are at a very high level. At first glance, the program may seem a little confusing, but once you understand the philosophy behind the program's structure, you will like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this tutorial and want to learn more.